another mini painting video. And in today's video we are going to be painting the mighty Owlbear. That is right, I have had this guy for quite a while and I am super psyched to finally get him painted. So let's get to the painting. And it is done. The Owlbear is complete. So here's a nice 360 of the finished bear. You can see the brown wash worked really well with the brown colors I already had. It gave it kind of a darker overtone. The eyes, I think, turned out pretty well. I could have probably gone darker for the actual yellow part of the eye, but I'm okay with it. It looks pretty good, especially, you know, from down here or from the side view, anywhere on a tabletop. I actually really love the flesh wash I used on the hands. Trying to get a good... There we are. I thought that turned out really well. On the feet as well. And then I love... Just getting a little bit of shadow there, but you can kind of see it a little better here. The blending of the brown into the actual flesh tone of the feet. But yeah, this was a really fun one to paint, guys. So I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you come back for the future painting videos, because I have a lot of cool minis I plan on painting. But that's going to be it for this one, guys. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.